Hello, welcome to this Civil 3D corridor modeling tutorial. My name is Abdul Hamid. In this video, we will add one or two more annotations to the profile. We will select the profile view, go to properties, and we will uncheck those profiles that we don't want to annotate. Okay, now we have only one profile that we will be annotating. Right now, if I select this guy, this profile, I can right click and go to edit labels, and then I can add this grade percent grade label to this profile view, and it will be showing up over here on top of the profile itself. It's minus 0.34% slope, and then there is an annotation over here. Right now we need to show this same annotation here in the bands as well. Sometimes it happens that you have plenty of annotations already there in the profile view, so you don't have enough space to put more. In that case, you can add them over here in the band style as well, and we will do the same. I will click on this guy in the on the profile view. We'll go to profile view properties, and then we'll come to bands. Over here there are many band types that I can add data from, and in this example, in this video, we will talk about vertical geometry. Vertical geometry is something that that adds label for the profile, and horizontal geometry, if we use this option, it adds annotation related to alignment. So we will use the vertical geometry. Once you click on this vertical geometry, then you can create a band style. We have only one band style available, and I'm gonna create a new one called, I will copy it and we'll come to the name. We'll change its name to grades, profile grades. In fact, we will call it profile grade. And then I will come to band details. Instead of coming to band details, you can click on the display. You can turn off those things that you don't want to show in your profile view band. I don't want to show curve labels because there is not any curve in my profile, so no point of showing anything. Okay, tangent labels, definitely we have to keep it on. Once you are done with this part of the style, you can then come to band details. Once you come to band details, I will be you need to pay some attention to these guys. These are the four kinds of annotations available for vertical geometry. Uphill tangent is something that that you can use to give length or grade to a profile. I'm gonna click on this uphill tangent, and let's see what kind of label I can add using this option. Once it's selected, come to compose label. Now I want to make changes to this guy, and therefore I will come to compose label. Once I come to compose label, I can then give this component a name. I will call it grade, and then I will come to text over here to contents, and we'll click on the content part. We'll click this guy and we'll delete it. Instead of this, I will come to properties and will select tangent grade, and we'll click this arrow so that I can take this property to the right side. Once it is done, and I will in fact take it to with a precision of 0.001. Therefore it's already selected, so if you click this guy again, it will take this same property to the right side with the precision of 0.001. It's done. Click OK. Click OK. Then downhill tangent, click on this guy. It's selected. Go to make some changes to this option. You will have to click compose label. Click this guy, and then instead of the name down tangent length, you can call it grade. And then come to contents. In contents, just click this guy, get rid of it, because we don't want to have that property. Instead we want to have tangent. Great. Make the precision equal to 0.001 and click this guy so that we can have this property over here. Click OK, OK, and OK. And then once you are done with all those changes in that new band style, then you can add it to profile band set. I will keep this guy equal to 0, and once you have added it, you need now to assign the profile to this band. And right now it's existing ground, and I want to change it to design profile because we want to annotate the design profile. So once that's done, then press OK. Once this is done, you can see that over here slope is 0.34%, and that same slope is over here minus 0.343%, and 0.35, 0.36. What I can do is I can change this style. If I click on this guy, click on edit label group, we'll come to percent grade, click this button, and then click this button, and then we'll come to layout, contents, and then click this guy. Once I click this guy and then come to precision, we'll make the precision equal to 0.03 as well. We'll press OK, 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 and OK. Now you can see that precision of this annotation is 3 as well. Minus 0.343, minus 0.343, and then over here minus 0.357, and over here it is minus 0.357. We will add one more annotation. We will click on this guy and we'll go to profile view properties, and sorry, instead of it, we will click the profile. We'll click on edit profile labels, and this time we will add a new profile label. We will click on type and we'll come to grade breaks. So where the grade breaks, this annotation will help us identifying those points. Click on this, and then station over elevation default, we'll keep the default. We'll click add and we'll press OK. So as you can see, if I click on this profile, it is breaking over here. So exactly at the point of breaking, we see grade break, station, and elevation at this point. So this label helps us identifying the point where the grade breaks and a new grade starts. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.